So guys, dito na kami sa Shell and dito yung meet up namin. Tara na mga bayani! Guys, bagyong Krising ngayon. And ito, magra-ride kami. 200. Oh. Go-opera pa ako eh. Dok, ano ba Dok? May naperahan kami eh. Nalit eh. So yun guys, nandito na kami sa Tanay. Pasampalok Tanay kami. Alas 6 na, kailangan nandun na kami ng alas 8. Ang lakas ng trip, may bagyo, gusto mag-dive. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Marilake. Tapos yun, packet na kami ng Jariel Peak. Hindi masyado malakas ang ulan. Ang hangin din, wala masyadong hangin. Ito na nga pala yung sekretong lagusan guys. Ayan o. Hindi na siya secret kasi alam nyo na kung saan. Grabe, ganda. Parang grabe, nakikita nyo lang ko sa personal. Ewan ko na lang. Zero Basic LNG. Ayan, Santa Maria na kami. Ito yung logo ng Santa Maria, Bulacan. Ha? Bulacan? Santa Maria, Laguna. Zero Visibility. Wala na makita. Nandito kami ngayon sa Welcome Mabuhay Infanta. Kilometer 90 to be exact. May mga nagra-ride pa rin naman dito. Pero yun, sa amin malayo-layo pa kami. Mga 1 hour pa ito mahigit. So yun guys, nandito kami sa Jariel Peak. May mga kumakain pa rin. May mga Marquez yan. Sarap. Magbubukas kasi yan alas 7 pa gagawin. Dito na kami sa Kerosep Bridge. So dati hindi talaga tayo tumutuloy pag umulan. Pero ngayon, para na tayo mga Mangtani tsaka Early Baron. Nakatutok na tayo sa mga report. Tsaka syempre yung up na windy. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa ano nga ba lugar to? Pinlac Falls. Doon yung Pinlac Falls. Lola's Haven. Woohoo! So nandito na kami. So napakagandang lugar sa Marilake. And yan, tuloy-tuloy lang yung biyahe namin. Ayan pala kami. Si Royet, si Nick, no? Si Melo, sila Danny. Riding through the rain, chasing the light. The journey's wild, but it feels so right. So 7:20, nandito na tayo sa Infanta. Mabuhay Infanta. Tungguhin. Okay, paliko na tayo dito. Basta ako. Napasok pala to. Tinatawag ko kayong lahat. Tara, tara! Ito tayo eh. Meron pwede doon. Dali. Ito yung pagkain kayo ang dinala namin. Ilan lang kayo? Ito po. Ayun si Joby, nakahiga na dyan eh. Ay, sabi sa'yo, thank you for your service. Oh! Bonito. Talagang Aldo.
Turning road is wild, chasing dreams like a fearless child. Clouds are heavy, stormy roar, but our hearts keep beating, wanting more. Rain is falling, but we don't hide. Adventure calls and we will ride. On the way to the sea, we're alive.
Crazy weather.
Our spirits die. Laughing loud with the wind so free. Nothing can stop this energy. Every drop, every mile we roll. Together we're strong. The road feels like home.
Lag.
Thunder rolls the our song. Every moment we still belong.
Dadive na tayo.
Through the storm, the joy remains. Adventure runs inside our veins. On the way with friends so true. Through the storm, the sky turns blue. Every moment we make it last. Memories stronger than the past. On the way to the sea, we're alive. Through the storm, our spirit
naman ang mga person.
Laughing loud with the wind so free. Nothing can stop this energy. Every drop, every mile we roll. Together we're strong. Through what feels like home. On the way with friends so true.
Prepping na, nagda-dive na po tayo dito ngayon.
Every moment we make it last.
Mga
Memories
naka-long
stronger
pinner.
than the past.
Dive dito. Okay guys, diving spot is real.
Here we are by the ocean side. Waves are crashing, hearts open wide. Storm above, but we never fear. This is the place we always hold dear. Raindrops fall, but a smile still shine. Every moment feels so divine. Raindrops fall, but a smile still shine. Every moment feels so divine. At the start, we always love to be. Diving deep, we are wild and free. Stormy skies, but we laugh out loud. Together strong, we stand so proud. Every splash, every laugh we share. Here we are by the ocean side. Waves are crashing, hearts open wide. Storm above, but we never fear. This is the place we always hold dear. Raindrops fall, but a smile still shine. Every moment feels so divine. Raindrops fall, but a smile still shine. Every moment feels so divine. At the spot we always love to be. Diving deep, we are wild and free. Stormy skies, but we laugh out loud. Together strong, we stand so proud. Every splash, every laugh we share. Every splash, every laugh we share. Waves are rising, clouds turn gray, but nothing can take our smiles away. Breath held deeply, dive below. In the ocean's heart, we let it flow. The storm may roar, but we'll hide. We find our freedom with the tide. We are young, and the seas are song. Every moment we belong. Through the storm, we laugh, we dive. This is the joy of being alive. Free diving dreams, the water is wide. Happiness flows with every tide. We are young. We are young. Raindrops fall, but we don't care. The ocean's magic fills the air.
2:39. Nag-start kami 10:30. 2:39 na.
Oh, sinilas.
Tok! Babagyo pa rin dito sa Pulilio. Sana lang po. May nawalan lang isang crops. Labas mo na! Bigla na Gitlakan Varsity. Banlaw-banlaw mga kaibigan.
Okay, nagluluto sila, Juvie. Ano yan niluto nyo? Mga puyat na, mga zombie na.
Nilalaban na lang, guys.
Nilalaban na lang. Mga walang tulog.
Sabag po, nandun sa kwarto.
Tapos yung mga ano dito, Dorobo. Ayan o. Doroboings.
Mga Dorobis. Lakas sa sumisid ah.
Ayan, lalakas sa misid. Mga tulog. Si Daniel, lakas eh. Parang may pinagkunan ng lakas eh.
Hindi katrabaho eh.
Sinabi.
Ayaw nga pala, sorry.
Lagay mo dyan, Nay. Ulam ay adobo. Tsaka ano yan, Job?
Tayo.
Geng. Kain tayo, kain.
Kain tayo.
Bagong gising yun. Gagaling pagkagising. Tapos manggigising yan pag iinom na. Kain na lang, kain. Kain tayo, kain. Good morning. Sino itong nakabalot ng ano, silver? Gawa ng duyan eh. Yum.
Naghalo na ang balat. Halo-pan. Hindi na masakit. Nakalumog yung akin eh. Nasa galon. Hindi ka...
What's up guys? Good morning. Day 2 dito sa Bulungay. Alright. Makulimlim pa rin ang panahon. Sabi ko daw kayo, sabi nung may-ari. So, hi viewers. Shoutout nga pala sa Earn Motovlog. Babalik na kulisap. Day 2 of free diving.
Day 2 begins, the ocean calls. Into the blue we give it all. Laughter flows like waves so free. Together here, just you and me. Dive deep, dive strong.
Okay guys, good morning. So magta-time ulit kami. Saglit na lang kasi ayan o, may LPA. Ayan o. Natali namin yung mga chinepe namin kasi malayo na kami.
Sun above and storm behind. We chase the waves, we chase the time. Every breath a memory made in the sea that will never fade. Dive deep, dive strong. hearts alive where we belong. In the ocean, time stands still. Moments fade, but the joy is real. Hold this day, let it last. The ocean's gift, too good to pass. Together here in waters wide, forever young by the ocean's side.
Under the waves, we're alive, chasing the blue, chasing the tide. Every laugh, we breath we take is a memory we'll never break. We're free in the ocean's melody, making moments we can keep to play again when we can't sleep. Sun will fade, storms will pass, but these adventures always last. Captured here, forever true. The sea reminds me of me and you. We're free in the ocean's melody, making moments we can keep to play again when we can't sleep. Sun will fade, the storms will pass, but these adventures always last. Capture here, forever true. The sea reminds me of me and you. We're free in the ocean's melody, making moments we can keep to play again when we can't sleep. In the ocean's melody, moments we can keep to play again when we can't sleep. The sun will fade, the storms will pass, these adventures always last. Captured here, forever true. The sea reminds me of me and you. The sea reminds me of me and you. So when the silence feels too long, play this day and hear our song. Free diving hearts forever near. Youth and joy are always here. We're free in the ocean's melody, making moments we can keep to play again when we can't sleep. We're free in the ocean's melody, making moments we can keep.
Alright, sobrang alon guys, pero kaya pa rin, okay naman. Kasi may mga may mga nagawa kaming shirts. Nakita nyo naman, di ba?
Mga ganun, no?
Wow.
Gumalang siya kasi yun.
Oo.
Ay, tama yun. Magdikit-dikitin natin yung ano.
Meron din si Niknok eh.
Yung entry nung nakakaan.
Paon na rin kami, nakaisang oras lang kami ngayon. Ito nagsusuka na eh. Meron kang tubig.
Hangover cute.
Hangover eh.
Ilalim. Alam mo, hindi siya nagreklamo sa alon dati. Wala siyang sinabi na, balik na tayo.
Kasi yung alon yung lumalagpas sa tao. Ay, saan? Ayun ako, yung ano mo.
Kaya nga, babalik nga ni.
Yani. Yung
Malupa-lupa.
Sa banda nga, sa banda. Amin nakakagutay na. Walang carnival. Sabi ko si Danny nga yun, nandun namimili.
Ba't ganyan kayo? Kailan kayo matatapos?
Adobong pusit. By yours truly.
Nakakain. Crazy.
Last meal na namin ngayon. Pauwi na kami mamaya. Alauna yung biyahe. Dumaraw na ngayon dito. Alright.
Ano ba laman nun? Laman yung tapos sa pito.
Nakakain ako yan. Baka sa lang.
Ulam kaming sihi.
Kaya mo yan.
Ayun, nalaglag.
Ayun. Hindi ko nakita.
Yun.
Nalaglag sa sahig. Yung mata hindi kinakain. Ayun ah, lumabas na.
Ano lang,
Ayos.
nakakagaling mag...
Tawag dyan buting.
Buting. Saan? Pasig?
Ano na naman? Look, kanin.
Grabe, parang totoo to. Diveris, in my diveris era.
Ganda na ito guys.
Kagabi.
Pwede daw ba sa airport guys? Comment nga kayo dyan. Yung kasya pa to dyan.
The sun is low, the day turns slow, packing up the stories we now know. Laughter fades into the breeze, moments kept like gentle seas. All the memories they stay, even as we ride away. Hearts are full and spirits free, till the next adventure calls to me. Golden skies, the road ahead, smiles we shared, the words unsaid. Every sunset, memory.
Ay po kayo dito halo-halo, ayan o. Lapit lang siya sa Pantalan. Ayan o, Pantalan ng Panukulan. Pagkababa nyo dyan, lakad lang kayo ng onti dito. So yan, sobrang sarap. Lagi namin tong binabalik-balikan eh. Mahangin dito, may tambayan din ang kubo. Yan, may mga lugaw din dyan. Mami, tsaka may mga ulam pagkatanghali. Ano, lagi nilang binabalik-balikan.
Sana!
Ayan o.
May sinasabi round?
Umpisa na.
Bang sarap.
Hey! Hey, Mick!
Dito lang yan sa Panukulan, Quezon. Pagkatawid dagat kayo.
Na naman,
Isa pa.
walang biyahe.
Gano'n kasarap?
10 out of 10.
Alright.
Kay must try.
Halo-halo
Na?
na masarap.
Ikaw pre?
At
Hinihigo pa.
Nabitin sa isa. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Sobrang creamy. Habang nanonood ng Manny Pacquiao. Sobrang busy sa panonood.
The sun is low, the day turns slow, packing up the stories we now know. Laughter fades into the breeze, moments kept like gentle seas. All the memories they stay, even as we ride away. Hearts are full and spirits free, till the next adventure calls to me. Golden skies, the road ahead, smiles we shared, the words unsaid. Every sunset.
Eto po. Salamat po.
shared the word sunset, every sunset. Hey.
Ito, ngayon lang siya yung maalon eh. Oo.
Golden skies, the road ahead, stars we share the word
Thank you.
Thank you po, Tito.
Crazy people tayo. Kahit may bagyo, ay kahit kakagaling ng bagyo.
Thank you dito pa po. Dito pa po.
Sarap ng tulog ko nga eh. Parang patag lang eh.
You save us. You save us. Kala ko amazing.
Salamat! Skies, the road ahead, smiles we share the word sunset, every sunset. Hey, for me.
Thank you po, Kuya.
8 na tayo.
Ha?
8 na tayo, di ba?
Nalula ka?
Before the tents come down, our laughter echoes through this ground.
So, dito kami ngayon sa market. Yung lagi namin kinakainan.
Our hearts,
Pag galing kami ng Quezon,
stay behind.
sobrang ganda rito tumigil. Masarap din yung pagkain.
So here's the nights beneath the trees.
Ayan, tapos ayan, may yung mga motor na.
River breeze. We may go back
Alright.
to city
NMAX,
lights
Aerox, AD Dog, tsaka NMAX at tsaka Sniping.
for more camp nights.
Dapat doon iba-ibang side ng
Thanks for the smiles, the food we share, for showing up,
Tanggalin mo na yan, Majuk.
for
Yan.
being there. This isn't right, it's just a glide. I'll see you on the next ride.
Wala kang panghalo eh.
With muddy shoes and sunburned skin, the real adventure starts within. Let's ride again when stars align. Until then, friends, goodbye for now.
What's up? Nagra-ride kami ngayon dito
So
sa
here's the night
market. Bumaba na kami ng
beneath
Rizal.
the trees, to mountain air, river breeze. We may go back to city lights,
Big biking eh.
but we'll return for more camp nights. Thanks for the smiles, the food we shared, for showing up, for being there.
Bye guys! So yun, dito nag-end yung mga ride namin sa Moro.
It's just a
Rizal.
glide.
Right.
I'll see you on the next ride with muddy shoes
Sige.
and sunburned
Dito na lang kami.
The real adventure starts within. Let's ride again
Bye-bye!
when stars align.
Ingat,
Till
ingat.
then, friends, goodbye for now. And shine.
Alright, let's go!
Bye everyone. Thank you.
Salamat!